Chapter 4: 10 Things Anyone Should Know About ClickBank. Synopsis: in this modern era where everything is accessible online, internet marketing has been one of the most profitable ways to earn money. This can be enjoyed by everyone from the comfort of their own home, which can allow them to better manage their time. If you are just starting to do internet marketing, there is a certain website that will help you out: ClickBank. Get to know more about this network as you check out the 10 things anyone should know about ClickBank. Know this one. ClickBank is a third-party service that is able to link thousands of merchants in the World Wide Web. It is capable of providing you with the latest technology to deliver the campaigns and other promotional materials of the merchants. This service can also be described as an affiliate network wherein it performs a specific function of being an intermediary between merchants and other affiliates. 2. ClickBank now holds the largest database of affiliates with different marketing programs, making them the biggest affiliate marketplace on the web. 3. Aside from being an affiliate network, ClickBank also performs other services like collecting commission fees from a merchant and distributes it to affiliates involved in a specific program. 4. It has a high-end, innovative tracking system that is made for convenience and ease of managing your online business. This tracking system is one of the top in the list of marketing trends. 5. ClickBank can provide you with 100,000 affiliates to give you the needed growth for your business. 6. Like any other businesses, people want to deal with a company that is fair. ClickBank's success is not just due to its system but also to its fairness in the way that they process commissions. 7. It is free and the sign-up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you get to sign in, you can sell your products right away. With its promotional page, the would-be buyers will be able to see your products and services in detail. This will surely boost your sales. 8. ClickBank works with you all the way through. It also promotes and even sells your products or services. At the same time, it does customer service to any queries given to your products. From their vast experiences and hundreds of affiliates, this service also offers you the latest marketing strategies that will surely help your business grow. 9. You will also need sales reports and any documents to see the progress of your business. Well, this service also sends the exact report and even sends you a paycheck 2 times a month, if you are an affiliate. 10. Starting is easy with ClickBank. Since it already holds 10,000 products that you can sell, you will be able to choose the products that will work to your advantage. Usually, these products are ebooks. These are the 10 things anyone should know about ClickBank. So if you want to start your own online business, you can count on ClickBank as your way to climb the ladder of success. With these offers, what can go wrong? Please my channel subscribe and press bell icon.